How to change your password on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to eBay, go to the top corner and click on those three lines, and then go down and click on the settings option down here. After you choose settings, now all what you have to do is click on the first option, sign in and security. Now click on the first option, change password, and you will be able to change your password easy and fast just from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.